Welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine, and this is my Christmas My Style 2019 video. It's the final tour. Well, okay, guys, shameless plug time. I am delighted to have the one and only Bree from Bree's Project Book join me for this last Christmas decorating collaboration. Bree and I have been hand in hand throughout this entire holiday season. Thank you so much, Bree. We'll see each other again. And we have a special guest from Home Staging TV, the lovely Tori. Tori is amazing. She's a professional home stager. She has an amazing channel. She's the reason why the lighting in my entire home changed. Check out her channel. Now, as you guys know, I started decorating for Christmas a little early this year. I wanted to participate in the festivities. I wanted to organize things a little bit, but I didn't foresee that my calendar could be overturned and I wouldn't have time to finish my own decorations. And you know what? That was enough. What I'd done was already enough. You guys have seen quite a few videos. I put together a playlist and say, I'm here, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. You saw it. It was enough. So what you're seeing is enough. I was able to focus on family, friends, get in a project, organize it, have a little fun, and above all that, really see the meaning of the season, to see Christ at his best. Seeing people being charitable, seeing people being loving, seeing people spending their time. That's what the season is all about. Giving of yourself beyond what you think you can do. And I'm truly excited about that. Thank you for stopping by our home. Thank you for taking the time out of your schedule to watch this video and any of the others that you have. And if you press that subscribe button already, thank you for doing that too. And the notification bell too, telling me that you want to come back and see what else I'm going to do next year. I thank you for supporting me with your prayers, encouraging me to start my business, and I can't wait to do whatever it is I'm going to do next year. The vision board is done, and I'm thankful. So let's get on with the tour. Welcome to my home. Now, I'm not going to talk a lot during this tour at all. Since I did the playlist building up to this, please go back. I talk a lot during those videos. I'm actually going to attach them on an iCard, top right-hand corner, or on an end card at the end of the video. So you can click and just watch all of those. These roses are from roseforever.com. I will put the link in the description box below. The only change to the dining room table is a cake plate and the tapered candles. I like what my grandmother did, having the cakes on the table. That encouraged you to finish your dinner. These beautiful wreaths are made from drinking straws that I purchased from Dollar Tree. Funny thing, guys, the white vase belonged in our family room, and I was on my way to take it to the attic. I set it on the floor, and I thought, this looks like a good idea. It never made it to the attic, obviously. Now our fireplace heats up pretty quickly, so if I have candles in the candle holder, they melt. Now, this was an unplanned DIY. When I found the sleigh, I thought I would just do a floral arrangement. Well, take a few cardboard boxes, make them into smaller boxes, and put them in the sleigh. I love the philosophy of knowing when to stop. I thought the sleigh and all of its beautiful gifts looked amazing, and I didn't want to do anything to the reindeer. They're beautiful, they're gold, and the cone trees, well, they have the brooches on them, and yeah, I thought that was enough. This DIY Dollar Tree icicle was originally planned for the Christmas tree wall art in the dining room. They ended up here. Now, when I decorate the kitchen for the holidays, I certainly do keep one thing in mind. My two young men and my husband. I let them have their log cabin kind of tavern kind of vibe. That's what I go for, but I still have my love for copper and white shining through. I certainly hope that you'll subscribe to my channel because I've got some furniture transformations coming up. This console table here is definitely going to be one of them, as well as the coffee table in this area here. I call it the brown zone. My husband and I just love looking at this nativity scene. It's nice to just stand in front of them and read them over and over again. This box has been the inspiration for the future color palette for this area. I really love the colors together. And I'm pretty sure that you saw the spackle on the walls. Well, that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed stopping by our home this year and taking a tour with us. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And as always, stay in prayer and stay creative.